So without the permission no individual can be kept in a custody. That means if you are not doing anything wrong and without the magistrate order you cannot kept into the jail. Okay, as per Prohibition Act, where it is mentioned, it is a mention in the Prohibition Act, the person under arrest will not be applicable to the aforesaid matter. Okay, the person under arrest will not be applicable to the aforesaid matter. That means if anyone arrested by the police, he cannot give any witness to in a case like we cannot give any types of evidence for his own case. Okay, so aforesaid, that means he has no right to say that time. Okay, and he also have right to silent. That means if he is silent, that means any victim he want to be a silent in own case, so he can be. Okay, preventive detention means you are catching that type of criminal which is can be attempt any big type of crime, like any if you are able to catching a terrorist organization before the any bomb blast, so it is a type of preventive detention. Okay, if the state anticipates any criminal deed or activity from any person, then as a precautionary measure means before the act you are able to catch this person, that person can be detained by the state. Detained by the state means arrest by the state, or arrest means he or she come under the purview of the our investigation agency. State under Preventive Detention Act. The purpose of this act not to punish a convict but to stop him from doing any criminal activity against state. Like we mentioned earlier, to prevent any type of action, like if any person who is involving a terrorist organization and they make a plan to attack this that day on this place, and this information reaching to our investigation agency, and our investigation agency able to find this person, that is a case of preventive detention. Okay, the detention or order can be cancelled based on the opinion of the judge of the Supreme Court or member of the advisory board. So if any detention happen and if court is realized or court is feel it is not a very threat for the Indian society and this person need not to be kept under the preventive detention, so he can be removed from the preventive detention. The state can decide term of detention. Term is time limit. Okay. Right against exploitation. Right against exploitation. The main objective of the Constitution is to see any person does not suffer exploitation at the hands of other person, and exploitation free society is established. That means if any rich people want to exploit any poor people, that time this poor person has right to go against rich person in the court. Just like bonded labor in many years ago in Colors TV, one serial that is named Udan. In this serial we can observe the better example of the bonded labor. So bonded labor or any women's or any child exploited by the other person. Okay, that is the objective of the Constitution through the right human trafficking, Human trafficking means selling of humans. Drudgery, slavery means you make anyone's servant for the lifetime without pay. Forced labor or banned. ये everything is banned in India. The violation of this right is a punishable offense. That means if anyone doing all these things, so it can be penalized by the our agency. Illegal trade of children and women, forced labor or imposed slavery, work without pay, and old drudgery system has to be ended through this right.